Hey Smithies, this is Alex and I am back in the printing studio doing one of the last steps of this project I've been working on. So as a brief recap, what I've been doing is I've been setting type and printing it, and what I'm going to do with that type that I printed is I'm going to make a broadside, which means a piece of paper that's printed only on one side. And what I'm printing is a quote from John Milton that says, "What can war but endless war begat?" And I finally got a nice print of it, and then underneath I have this thing called a colophon. It's this little line of type that you probably can't read, so I'll read it for you. It says, "This quotation is from Paradise Lost by John Milton. The type was composed by Alexandra Symeonides-Tsatsos, February 4th, 2016, at the A Prairie Press. The typeface is Perpetua, designed by Eric Gill." So what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting all of this out with an X-Acto knife, and then I'm going to paste it on this piece of paper in what I want it to look like for the end project. I've already gotten my design approved by my teacher, so I'll show you when I'm finished. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm cutting out this big "What can war but endless war begat." I've already cut out a copy of the colophon. So I'm taking my ruler to make sure I have a straight edge, and my X-Acto knife, $3 at Acme Surplus. That place is awesome. And I'm just going to cut along there like this, and then go down and make another parallel cut. And then, so here's the hard part. So in the way I want my words to be structured, I want every word to be on its own line. So I have to cut all the words apart, which just means I'm making a lot of like vertical cuts right here, which is a little harder than it looks. Yeah, so last class we had, we all came up with like a couple different designs for our broadside, and we put them all up on the computer and we critiqued them, and this was the one that my teacher recommended I go with. So this is what I'm doing. And if this gets dreadfully boring, I'll probably edit it so you guys don't have to watch the boring. Okay, I'm done. Here is how the final draft looks. I'm super happy with it. And my next step is going to be, we're going to take this mock-up and then we're going to make it digitally using InDesign and then print a ton of them. So that's really exciting, and I'll keep you updated as I finish it.